Get ready to revolutionize your cooking with the Instant Pot Duo Plus, the ultimate kitchen game changer. This incredible 9-in-1 appliance combines a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, steamer, sauté pan, food warmer, sterilizer, and even a cake maker. With 15 customizable smart programs, from sous vide to canning, you can effortlessly achieve perfect results every time, even for beginner cooks. The durable stainless steel inner pot ensures healthy cooking and super easy cleanup, making meal prep a breeze. What truly sets the Duo Plus apart is its smart programming and consistent performance, simplifying complex dishes into one-touch wonders. If you're searching for the best kitchen appliance in 2025, or a premium pressure cooker that saves space and time, look no further. For anyone serious about efficient, delicious home cooking, this Instant Pot is an absolute must-have. Find the purchase link in the description. Say goodbye to a cluttered counter, and hello to lightning-fast gourmet meals that taste like you spent hours. We highly recommend the Instant Pot Duo Plus for its unmatched versatility, reliability, and sheer convenience. Ready to make your life easier? Click that Amazon link now and start your culinary adventure.